friends, most of us like to enjoy pickles in our routine meals, but we often find it too difficult to make pickles at home. So I am bringing in front of you one recipe of instant chili pickle in which you don't have to show too much sunlight, only 4-5 days are sufficient, or even you can enjoy them instantly. So I am sure that you will definitely like it and will try to make it at your home. Do share your feedback in my comment section. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. This is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. So my today's yummy recipe is instant chili pickle. So before starting with the video, I would like to request you all to please watch my complete recipe, and in case if you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For detailed written recipe and ingredients with their measurements, please visit the description box below. So why to wait? Let's move on to my kitchen. So friends, the first part will be dry roasting of spices. For this, simply add all the spices in a pan and then dry roast them for 2 or 3 minutes or till crackling sound comes, and you need to dry roast at low flame only. So as you can see here, the spices have changed their color. It means these are well roasted. Just switch off the flame and allow the spices to cool down a bit. So till your spices are cooling down, the next part will be cutting the chilies. So for that you can take a mix of red and green chilies. First you need to wash them properly, then allow them to be completely dried up. Then you have to simply remove the stems and then cut it into 2 parts as shown in the video, or first divide it into 2 parts from the center and again cut these 2 parts into 2 halves. So it depends upon the length of the chili, how much size you want to fix for your chili pickle. So friends, as you can see here, all the chilies are now ready. So let's move on to our next part, that is grinding the roasted spices. So as the roasted spices are now cooled down, then you have to transfer these spices to a grinding jar and just grind to make a coarse or fine powder depending upon your choice. So friends, now all the pre-preparations are done. So let's move on to our main part, that is pickle preparation. So for that, just heat the mustard oil in a pan, and when it reaches to the smoky point, then switch off the flame, and once it's cooled down a bit, then add hing and turmeric powder, and it will be roasted for few seconds, and then your oil is ready. So now as everything is ready, so just transfer the chilies to any white plate or parat. After that you need to add your roasted spice mix and just mix it very well with the chilies so that it is well coated with the chilies. Then add salt as per your taste and again mix it very well with the chilies. Now add your oil and mix well with the chilies. And finally add vinegar, which will act as a preservative to this pickle. So friends, if you want to enjoy this pickle instantly, then just give a nice mix and it's ready to be served. But if you want to increase the shelf life of your pickle, then do show sunlight for 4 to 5 days or for 1 week. So friends, I kept my pickle in sunlight for 4 to 5 days and now it's ready to be stored in any airtight container. So now your pickle is ready to be kept inside the refrigerator for around 15 to 20 days, and believe me, it won't be spoiled. But the only precaution is use a very clean and dry spoon every time when you take out the pickle. So friends, I am sure you all must have liked my recipe and will definitely try to make it. Do share your feedback and experience in my comment section below. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.